Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into StreamYard for editing clips before publishing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the StreamYard website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click on the Continue or Next button to move to the next step. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from StreamYard. Open the email and click on the login link provided. If prompted, enter your password to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your StreamYard dashboard. Select the clip you wish to edit from your list of past broadcasts. Click on the clip to open it in the editing interface. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools available on the left side of the screen. Utilize the trim tool to cut any unnecessary segments from your video. You can also use the overlay tool to add graphics or text to your clip. Preview your edited clip to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to store your changes. After saving, look for the Publish option to share your clip. Review the settings for visibility and any additional options available. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your edited clip live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.